Andito na po tayo sa Binondo. Andyan po ito yung plaza. Oo, Manila Chinatown. Harap ng Binondo. I love Manila Chinatown. Okay, at iikutan natin itong plaza na to. Plaza de San Lorenzo Ruiz to. Kasi nandun si San Lorenzo Ruiz at may isa pang fountain doon. Ayan. Holy Door, Porta Santa. Dito po sa Binondo Church, San Lorenzo Ruiz, and Our Lady of the Holy Rosary. The anchor at the bottom of the cross expresses unwavering hope in the face of seemingly hopeless situations. With God's grace, we still enjoy peace in our hearts as we persevere despite everything. Ayan po, rough sea. The rough sea is a reminder of the difficulties of the pilgrimage of life. With Jesus, we walk on the stormy waters. The cross of Christ reveals God's love, wisdom, and power. We proclaim His mercy and invoke His blessings each time we make the sign of the cross. The four figures represent humanity from the four corners of the world. They are embracing each other to illustrate solidarity and mutual support as they hold onto the cross of Christ. Dito na tayo sa Binondo, ay pupunta tayo sa Eng Bitin. At kakain tayo ng masarap na lugaw na may kasama pang ube, hopya. Sa taas tayo kakakain pa. Hindi dito. Mamaya na yan. Bibili ka rin ng hopya mamaya. Pero kakain muna tayo doon sa taas. Ba't ibang flavor ng hopya? At meron pang radish cake. Meron palang ganyan. Meron pala. Yan. Oh ha, mamaya na yan. Doon muna tayo.
Hangin sa liyan.
Di bale, senior. Ayan o. Ayan.
Radish cake.
Oo, yung radish cake kanina doon sa may ano, no. Ay, may hirap pala dito. Ay, pwede naman ilagay ko lang siya dyan. Yung aming drinks. Ayan po. Strawberry latte. Uy, ang ganda, oh. Ayan. Wala pa yung aming pagkain, congee. Ayan. Ang Golden Buddha, the Great Buddha Cafe. Kaya may Buddha po sa likod. Okay, ito po yung fish fillet. Ayan ang aming gucci at ang aming meatballs. Congee, salamat! Yung aming drinks na strawberry latte. Ayan na. Kakain. Kumain kami. Ni Sir Cloud. Kami dito sa The Great Buddha Cafe. Ay, ayan o. Ayan o. Kain na po. Butchi-butchi. Borrowing from John Evelyn, let me say, friendship is the golden thread that ties the heart of all the world. This is Simply Jane saying, thank you so much for watching. See you on the next vlog. God bless!